Most modern engines do not fail all at once. They fail quietly, weeks before a warning light ever turns on. According to dealer service records and independent lab reports, damage usually starts long before drivers notice anything. And the part most owners never realize is this: your car already recorded the evidence. Welcome back to Engine Insight. If you want to avoid expensive breakdowns and actually understand what modern cars are telling you, you are in the right place. This helps you understand your car better. Subscribe for more. Now pay close attention, because the first feature explains why perfectly good engines still fail early. Feature 1. Freeze frame data. Every time your car detects a fault, it captures what is called freeze frame data. This is a snapshot of what the engine was doing at that exact moment. Engine speed, engine load, coolant temperature, vehicle speed, and key sensor readings are all saved. Dealer diagnostic reports show that technicians often rely on this information more than the trouble code itself. OEM training materials confirm that freeze frame data can cut diagnostic time nearly in half because it shows real conditions instead of guesses. Most drivers never realize this data often stays stored even after the warning light turns off. That is one of the main reasons problems quietly return. Feature 2. Live misfire counters. Misfires usually do not start with a warning light. They begin as small misfire counts on individual cylinders. A few misfires here and there may not feel noticeable, but research tells a different story. SAE engine durability studies show repeated low-level misfires accelerate bearing wear and increase catalytic converter damage. Independent emissions lab testing confirms that converters can suffer permanent damage without ever triggering a fault code. This is why professional mechanics watch misfire counters early. This is where expensive damage often begins. Feature 3. Adaptive learning tables. Modern vehicles are designed to learn and adjust as they age. They adapt fuel trims, ignition timing, idle control, and transmission behavior to keep the car running smoothly. Manufacturer service bulletins show that failing to reset adaptive learning after repairs can cause rough idle, harsh shifting, and poor fuel economy. OEM calibration research also shows that excessive long-term corrections increase heat and internal stress. Adaptive systems can be helpful, but they can also hide problems. Sometimes the car is compensating instead of fixing the real issue. Feature 4. Oil temperature history. Most drivers focus on oil life percentage, but mechanics focus on oil temperature history. Consumer reports and independent oil analysis labs consistently show oil temperature is a stronger indicator of engine wear than mileage alone. Used oil analysis confirms that repeated oil temperatures above about 230 degrees break down additives and thin oil viscosity much faster. Two engines with the same mileage can have very different wear simply due to heat exposure. Modern vehicles already track this data internally, but most drivers never see it. Feature 5. Cylinder deactivation. Monitoring cylinder deactivation improves fuel economy by shutting down cylinders during light driving, but it also changes oil flow and valve train loading inside the engine. Oil analysis labs have reported higher iron wear when cylinder deactivation operates unevenly. Dealer warranty data shows increased lifter and valve train complaints in these systems under certain conditions. The warning lights often stay off because the system is technically working. Damage can still be happening quietly in the background. Feature 6. Limp mode strategy awareness. Limp mode is not a punishment feature, it is a protection strategy. OEM engineering documentation shows limp mode activates based on trends, not just sudden failures. Knock patterns, temperature changes, and pressure behavior are monitored long before parts break. Dealer reports show that forcing a vehicle to drive hard in limp mode greatly increases the risk of full engine or transmission failure. Professional mechanics do not fight limp mode. They pay attention to why it activated. Feature 7. Battery management system. Modern cars do not just have batteries, they manage them. Battery management systems track state of charge, state of health, and internal resistance. OEM testing shows that replacing a battery without registering it to the vehicle can shorten battery life by more than 30%. Automotive electronics research confirms unstable voltage can disrupt sensor readings, adaptive learning, and throttle behavior. Many strange drivability problems begin with battery data drivers never see. Feature 8. Torque request versus throttle input. In modern vehicles, the accelerator pedal does not directly open the throttle. It sends a torque request to the ECU. SAE Powertrain Research explains that the ECU decides how much power to allow based on traction control, emission strategy, and component protection. Dealer diagnostic reports show many hesitation complaints are not mechanical failures at all. Without understanding torque management, parts get replaced unnecessarily. Understanding this system saves money. Feature 9. Electronic brake calibration. Modern brake systems are no longer purely mechanical. Vehicles with electronic parking brakes and advanced ABS systems require electronic calibration after service. Brake manufacturer testing and dealer service bulletins confirm that skipping this step can reduce braking efficiency and increase stopping distance. Often there is no warning light, just weaker braking. Mechanics rely on proper calibration to restore factory braking performance. Feature 10. Hidden service mode menus. Nearly all modern vehicles include hidden service or diagnostic menus. These menus display real-time temperatures, voltages, sensor states, and system health data directly from the ECU. OEM service manuals confirm these menus are designed for technicians, not marketing displays. Mechanics do not use magic tools. They access information your car already has. That early access is what prevents expensive failures. Dealer reports, lab data, and real-world diagnostics all point to the same conclusion. Modern cars warn you long before they fail. Most drivers simply do not know how to listen. And in the next breakdown, I will explain why warning lights usually turn on after damage has already started.